start.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm called Ibiel Lambo Henry Joel, group leader of I'm group leader of Group One. That's the CV group. All right. Our topic for today is university culture and discipline. We're going to base ourselves mostly with the culture and discipline within the University of Buea, particularly. So we're going to be talking on, first of all, we'll talk about the history. We'll talk about the history of the university. Then we're going to move next on the structure and academic setup of the university. Then later on, we're going to move on the university rules and regulations. After that, we're going to move on study and time management. That is in regard to the students found within the university. We're going to talk about the BMP system, which has to do with the bachelor degree, the masters, and the PhD. That's the doctor in philosophy. We're also going to talk about the GPA, the credit system, and composite courses within the University of Buea. We're going to talk about the registration and graduation requirement. That's the process that involve it. We're also going to talk about the University of Buea Code of Ethics. We're going to talk about the student rights and responsibility and some of the privileges which have been accorded to the student found within the University of Buea. And lastly, we're going to talk about the teacher's right and responsibility. And lastly, we're going to talk about on the aspect of plagiarism within the school milieu. So I'm going to call upon our first speaker who will come and talk on. Cut now, cut.
My name is Lombe Ajan Kelsey. I'll be talking on plagiarism. Plagiarism simply means stealing of one's idea or words of another production without crediting the direct source.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm called Wase Elaine, and I'll be talking on study and time management, precisely study. First of all, what is study? Study is a continuous process of acquiring knowledge about a particular subject or concept. To study effectively, you must be organized, you must have an objective. Create a study time and make sure you attend all your classes or lectures. Ask questions about areas you don't understand and set up a quiet study space. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Randy, and I'll be talking on the values of the university. Firstly, a university provides opportunities and quality education through research and environment. Secondly, a university provides and encourages emphasis on prosperity, control, and independence.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Eloya Ebane Princess. I'm going to talk on the purpose of the university, and I'm going to precise on the University of Buea. Firstly, the University of Buea the primary purpose of the University of Buea is to provide the students with quality education and training. That is, it helps the students to go deep into their studies. That is the postgraduate students and the undergraduate students. Secondly, I'm going to talk on the purpose of promoting innovation and research. Here, the university encourages students to go deep into research so that it can help them in their various fields. That is, they could do research concerning their studies, and this is going to add their knowledge in the field of the university. The third point is that it promotes, the university plays a vital role in promoting social and cultural relationship in the university. In this point,
Action.
the third point is that the University of Buea plays a vital role in promoting social and cultural relationship in the region. That is, it creates organizations like conferences, seminars, workshops, and in this process, it facilitates collaboration among administrators and students. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Gabriela Kusona Flavin. I'll be talking about the rights of teachers. Teachers have certain rights that are protected by rules and regulation of a school, and some of these rights depend on the jurisdiction. So some of the rights are freedom of expression from the teachers. The teachers have the right to express their thoughts, their ideas, and methods that they want to use to teach in school. Also, they have academic rights to choose their skills, to choose their days of teaching, and to draft their time of teaching. Also, we have privacy rights by the teacher. Their rights are supposed to be protected. They are not supposed to be open up in school. They have to have a private sector where their life is not, or their information is not published on social media. Also, the teachers have the right to sanction a student. Sorry, the teachers have the right to.
Is Alim Maimbe, and I'll be talking on the responsibilities of students. Students are expected to attend classes regularly and punctually unless they have a valid reason for their absence. Students are expected to respect the rules and regulations set by the school. Students are expected to take care of school property, including classrooms, libraries, etc. Students are expected to Students are expected to take active participation in class, and students are expected to respect their lecturers, classmates, and other members of their school community.
My name is Lemfena Wafonya. I'm talking on the structure of the University of Buea. The University of Buea has faculties, that's six faculties and two schools. We have the Faculty of Arts, the Faculty of Education, the Faculty of Social and Management Science, the Faculty of Science, and so many others. We equally have the School of Agriculture and Veterinary Medicine. Also, these faculties are subdivided into departments. For example, the Faculty of Science has various departments such as chemistry, physics, maths, and computer science. Also, talking on the structure of the University of Buea, the University of Buea is equally structured in an administrative order. That is, in the University of Buea, we have the Vice Chancellor. From the Vice Chancellor, we have the deputy vice chancellors. After that, we have the dean of faculties, heads of departments, and lecturers, right down to the cleaners of the University of Buea.
My name is Tifo Berkeley. I'm taking for I'm talking about the compulsory courses in the University of Buea. When you talk about the compulsory courses, we have of two types. We have the major courses and the UB requirement courses, which must be validated before the end of the University of Buea. Thank you.
In class, I'll be talking. My name is Egbe Cynthia. I'll be talking on the academic setup of the University of Buea. So, the academic setup of the University of Buea is designed to provide a range of programs and opportunities for students. Some of the aspects of the academic setup in the University of Buea, we have undergraduate programs. So, the University of Buea offers undergraduate programs across various disciplines. These programs typically this programs typ- this program typically leads to bachelor's degree program, and which provides students with a solid foundation in choosing their field of study. This program includes you have Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Education, and among others. Second aspect, we have postgraduate programs. The University of Buea also provides offer postgraduate programs for students who have completed their undergraduate programs and wish to pursue their advanced programs. This program includes you have the master's program. The master program you have masters of art, master of education, and master of science. Okay, another aspect of the academic setup of the University of Buea, we have you have the academic calendar. So the University of Buea operates on a semester system consisting of 2 semesters. consisting of 2 semesters, and each semester at least 16 weeks long, including teaching, examination, and breaks. The academic calendar also talks about the activities of the school and about classes scheduled and Saba.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ako Abraham. I'll be talking on the rules and regulations of the university. So, as the University of Buea, there are several rules and regulations governing the University of Buea. So, number one of them is academic regulations. Number two, we have campus policies. Number three, we have financial regulations. And number four, we have Number four, we have health safety measures that have been put in place to govern the smooth running of the university.
Good afternoon. My name is Ndofri Victory, and I'll be talking about the responsibilities of lecturers in the University of Buea. First of all, it is their responsibility to recognize that the status of their profession lies to a considerable extent on the teachers themselves. So they are required to strive to achieve very high standards of professional work in everything that they are doing. And also, the teachers are required to seek proper cooperation with the authorities for the benefit of the students, the academic service, and the general society as a whole. Thirdly, the code of conduct and code of ethics are supposed to be established by the teachers organization, because these codes
Everyone, I am Janjo Eposi Happiness. I'll be talking about the GPA system of the University of Buea. The GPA system is also known as the grade point average obtained by the student, which represent the numerical performance of the students. It is also often calculated on a scale of 0 to 4.0. 4.0 is being the highest GPA achieved by the student. The GPA is often calculated by multiplying the credit value in each course by the total marks obtained from it divided by the total credit value.
Okay. My name is Ekolenzi Emmanuel. I'm talking on graduation. Graduation is a milestone for successfully achieved students in the University of Buea. Actually, graduation is usually held to honor those students that have made it successfully in the University of Buea for their various degree programs. During this period, prizes are being awarded, degrees are being awarded to those students that have finally succeeded to complete their various degree program in the University of Buea.
Good afternoon. My name is Charles Sandise. I'll be talking on the rights of students. Students have the right to be heard. Students have the right to receive tuition on the courses which they have duly been registered for. Also, students have privileges which they enjoy in the university, like going to the library and obtaining their objective. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Nji Prosper. I will be talking on the responsibility of the University of Buea. Firstly, by providing conducive school environment. By doing this, the university have put in place some extra curricular activities such as sport, clubs, and cultural events. For example, we have the university have a club for dancers, musics, and activities such as football, handballs, and we also have uh, a security personnel in the campus which are out to make sure that there is a conducive atmosphere, and they make sure that the students and the staffs are safe whenever they are on campus.